Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the series on trigonometry. This one's about triangles in a unit circle, or about values in a unit circle. If we look at this circle here, which has a radius of 1, and this is your angle theta, well, you can imagine a little triangle here, and cos would be adjacent over hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is 1 and the adjacent is a, and sine would be opposite over hypotenuse, which is b over 1. So cos theta would be a and sine theta would be b. Okay, now if you can understand that concept, the rest becomes easy. Okay, because if you look at this angle, which is 180 minus theta, meaning there's a theta under here, which is the same as that. So the coordinates there, you can draw a straight line across. The b coordinate would be the same, and the a coordinate, the y coordinate would be the same, b. The x coordinate would be the same size as this one, but negative, so it's negative a, b is the coordinates there. So cos of 180 minus theta is negative a, and sine of 180 minus theta is b. If we then take 180 plus theta, we're there, and again it's the same size triangle. So this would be negative a, negative b. Okay, see it's directly under there, so it's negative a, and it's like it's flipped over, reflected in the x-axis, so it's negative b. So cos of 180 plus theta is negative a, sine of 180 plus theta is negative b. And then the last quadrant here, the fourth quadrant, you've got 360 minus theta. That angle would form a triangle here, which would be congruent with all these other three. And so the coordinates there would be a, because it's directly under, and negative b, because it's the same as that one, a, negative b. So there is our values for cos and sine. So you can see if it's in the second or third quadrant, you've got negative values for cos. If it's in the first or the fourth, you've got positive. And similar idea for sine. If it's in the first or the second, it's positive values for sine. If it's in the third or the fourth, it's negative values for sine. Alright. Some teachers insist people memorize this. I don't get the point. If you can understand the little circle, then you can work it out each time, and it's super easy. Or you can remember CAST, all are positive, sine is positive, tan is positive, cos and sine are negative, and here C, cos is positive, sine and tan are negative. Alright, let's use that information to answer these questions here. Pause the video, write it down, see if you can work it out. Do not use a calculator. Okay, here we go. Here are the answers. Sine 135. Well, 135 is over here in the second quadrant. It's the same as 45 because it's 180 minus 45. So sine of 45 is 1 over root 2. So this is also 1 over root 2, or root 2 on 2. Okay. Cos of 225. 225 is over here in the third quadrant. It's 180 plus 45, so it's the same as 45, so it's going to be the same value as this, but it's cos, so it's the x value, so it's negative root 2 on 2. Okay, cos 300. Well, 300 is in this quadrant. It's the same as 60. Would make the same triangle. It's a 60-degree triangle, so cos of 60 is a half, so this would also be a half. 240. Well, 240 is again over here. It's also the same as 60 degrees. It's 180 plus 60 degrees. But it's sine, so it's going to be root 3 on 2, but it's down here, so it's negative, negative root 3 on 2. Okay, 120. 120 is in this quadrant, second quadrant. It's 60 back from 180, 180 minus 60, so it's the same as 60 degrees, so cos of 60 is a half, but this is in this section, so it's been negative a half. 210, 210's in this third quadrant, it's 30 degrees past 180, so it's the same as 30 degrees, sine of 30 is a half, so this will be down here, so it's negative a half. Okay, hope that was helpful, hope that made sense. Good luck with your future trigonometry.